Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Need internet on your laptop, tablet, or another phone but don't have access to Wi-Fi? In this video, I will show you how to turn your Android phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot so you can share your mobile data connection with other devices. The process is quick, easy, and works on most Android phones. But before we get started, here's a quick overview. How to open mobile hotspot settings. How to set up your hotspot. How to connect other devices. Important tips to save battery and mobile data. Let's break it down step by step. Step number 1. Open mobile hotspot settings. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Tap Network and Internet or Connections. Then select Hotspot and Tethering or Mobile Hotspot. The exact menu name may vary depending on your Android device. Once you are there, tap Mobile Hotspot. Step number 2. Set up your hotspot. Before turning it on, it is a good idea to check your hotspot settings. Look for Hotspot Name or Network Name. This is the Wi-Fi name that the other devices will see. Next, check Password. Create a strong password to prevent unauthorized users from connecting. You may also see Security Type, Ban Selection, Auto Hotspot options. Most users can leave these settings at their default values. Step number 3. Turn on Mobile Hotspot. Now turn on the Mobile Hotspot switch. Once enabled, your Android phone will begin broadcasting a Wi-Fi network. Your phone is now acting like a portable Wi-Fi router. Keep this screen open if you want to view your hotspot name and password. Step number 4. Connect another device. On the device you want to connect, open its Wi-Fi settings. Look for the hotspot name you created earlier. Tap it and enter the hotspot password. After connecting, the device will begin using your phone's mobile data connection for internet access. You can connect laptops, tablets, smart TVs, and other phones depending on your device hotspot capabilities. Bonus tip: save battery and data. Using a hotspot can drain your battery faster and consume mobile data quickly. To help manage usage, turn off the hotspot when not in use. Keep your phone charged. Monitor your mobile data usage. Use a secure password to prevent unwanted connections. This helps avoid unexpected data charges and battery drain. And hey, for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and availability may vary depending on your Android device model, region, and software version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, or any Android manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. And that is how to turn your Android phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.